Yeah, well. Good morning from Animal Kingdom.
Good morning.
And today we have, yay! And we are heading to Dinosaur. We just booked a lightning lane for the safari for.
Look at the tree, it's real. Oh yeah, it's a person.
Oh, one sec. She does look cool. Wow. So cool.
They do.
Look at his little tail going. He's so cute. So like I was saying, we're heading to Dinosaur. We just got a lightning lane for the safari for like 45 minutes from now. Regular wait time's around 40 minutes right now. And so Dinosaur it is. It's a favorite. So probably gonna ride Dinosaur like a lot of times today. So the wait's 10 minutes. It's probably gonna be about 5.
Yeah, it's moving pretty fast.
Yeah, we're about to go in. I didn't check tour plans, but there's like nobody here, so
It'll be quick.
yeah. There is a tropical parrot, or I'd say it's a parrot, on top of the roof. He doesn't belong there. Well, maybe he does, but I don't think so. Look at him. He's just chilling. Oh, there he goes. All right, we got the jungle juice at, what are we?
Tusker House.
Tusker House. It has vodka, peach schnapps, jungle juice, and that might be it. And popcorn. All right, we're gonna go watch some kites. We are heading into Flight of Passage. We had a lightning lane for this one.
You get lightning lane for the Lion King.
What? For the Lion King show? Interesting. Did not know that. Did you know you can get lightning lane for the Lion King show? We just learned that.
Just follow around the railing and fill the room. That's right. Please fill all the way in and stand on your assigned number.
You want to see me?
Yes.
Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites.
We are heading to Festival of the Lion King for the 12:30 or 12 o'clock show. I think it's 12:30. And then we're gonna get some lunch at Flame Tree Barbecue. Brandon's mobile ordering behind me. Just did Flight of Passage, it was great. And there's a line. Alright, here we are at Flame Tree Barbecue, and we got the pulled pork, mac mac and cheese with onion rings on it, some fries, a Sprite, and Tal got the pulled pork sandwich with fries and a Coke. And there's a bunny over there. All right, see if I can get him. He's so cute. Got some birdies. Look how pretty they are. They match. All right, lunch was really good. We're heading into Flight of Passage. No, we're heading into Navi River Journey. Not Flight of Passage. I already did that one.
Got a hospital.
All right, heading on to Dinosaur round 2. This time we're gonna wait in the standby line. Posted wait's 40 minutes. Expected wait on touring plans is 31.
Chicken to death.
All right, Dinosaur took 24 minutes from the point of starting the thing into the show. Took a couple more minutes to get on the actual
So
thing,
probably
but
about 30 then.
probably about 30 total. So
Maybe just over.
really not bad. Now we're heading to Kali River Rapids, which we have a lightning lane for, so we're
And
not
after that, I'll get
rushing. And then Brandon's gonna get a drink, okay? We got wet. We wore ponchos though, so we're good.
We got a little wet.
Brandon got it, I think the worst of all of us. All right, we are back from Animal Kingdom. We just took a little bit of a break, did like an hour in the room or so, and we're now leaving again to get on the Skyliner and go to the Boardwalk, which we were at last night. If you guys saw, I don't think we ever closed that vlog. My bad. But that's where we left off last night. And we walked by the Dueling Pianos bar, which is called Jellyrolls, and we really want to go there. So we're gonna go there tonight instead of Disney Springs. And so we're just walking to the Skyliner. Should be a nice little trip over to Epcot, and then we'll walk down to the Boardwalk. And we're not gonna be out super late because we have our last day tomorrow is Magic Kingdom all day, from morning to night. So we're gonna be charged up for that. It's not gonna be anything crazy tonight. But we do want to go check this out because we've never been down there to like eat or drink, and we've heard really good things about this Dueling Piano Bar. It's also really windy, as you can see. Here we go.
On our way.
Brandon's shirt, he's still wearing it from earlier. It says, "I am Yeti to party."
I'm ready. I'm gonna have a couple Miller Lights.
Yep. I'll probably have like one cocktail.
I'm gonna have 5, 6 Miller Lights.
We went from 1 or 2 to 5%.
I said a couple.
In one sentence.
If it's on tap, it could be a good night.
All right, we're on the Boardwalk. We got some cheesy bacon fries from the Boardwalk to go little stand. We tried to go to the pizza window and they didn't have pizza for the next like 40 minutes. And Jellyrolls opens at 7, which is soonish, and they said online to get there early, so we don't want to like risk not getting a seat.
Alright.
So,
And they do not serve food. They just have
No.
popcorn and drinks.
yes, so good to know. We were kind of trying to figure that out, but I'm glad we got something now, because we're gonna just get like a couple drinks, but still.
Hey girls, I want to sit down.
We have some popcorn. I got the Frog's Grog. Brandon got a beer,
Typical. Miller Light.
of course.
I know, switching it up.
We're like the first few people here. Show doesn't start till 8. Yeah, we didn't realize that the show didn't start till 8. I guess that makes sense.
Yeah, it gives you some.
Right, doors open at 7 though. And it is a $15 per person cover, and it's 21 plus, just as a heads up. Which we already knew all of that, but we're just letting you know.
What was the glass? I think it was $25 for your first drink, which comes with a tumbler to keep. and then it's $11 for your refill. So it's not a bad deal if you plan to have a couple.
Right, that's like for all of the specialty mixed drinks, but it's a full bar, so you can get other things if you want. Pretty cool. We are back on the Skyliner heading home. Tell them about Jellyrolls.
Jellyrolls was a lot of fun. Highly recommend.
Highly recommend. It didn't get busy until about 8:30.
Yeah,
I
a
would
little
say.
after 8, after the
It was
dance had been
standing
on for a
room
while.
only when we left.
Yeah.
And there was a line outside, so if you go, make sure you get there early.
Yeah, at least 8 or before, I would say.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's a $15 cover. And
$15 per person covered, which I would say is worth it.
oh yeah.
Yeah. They did a great job. They covered a lot of songs. They do, even though it's a 21 plus place, they do stick to more PG-13 songs. They don't play anything inappropriate.
Yeah.
So keep that in mind if you make requests.
Yeah, they will not do
They don't play
anything.
anything vulgar.
No.
And they do bleep out songs. Like they'll play songs that have swears in them, but they'll bleep them out.
I got this cup. It says "Roll with me" and then Jellyrolls on the other side. So this is the supposedly deal drink. So
Right.
here's my opinion on this. So this was $25 and they filled it with my cocktail, which I got the Frog's Grog, and it was very good. And then I got a refill of it in here, and I will say that I felt there was absolutely, well, there wasn't no alcohol, but it was not a strong drink for the initial price of this.
Yeah.
You figure the refills are $11, but the initial drink is $25, and had I just gotten that, I would have felt a little ripped off. I got the refill purposely because I felt like I should in
Right.
order to get the value. Because I was like, this wasn't, and I thought maybe if I got the second drink, that it would be stronger.
Right, and we were there for 3 hours.
Right, but I drank my second one pretty fast, and it really wasn't.
Right.
So, but Brandon got beer. The waitresses were good. They were definitely, I wouldn't say understaffed, but they had a lot of people to take care of. So
Yeah.
it was very tricky to
Definitely keep that in mind if you go order your drinks a little bit ahead of when you're going to need it. Because
Yeah,
it
'cause it
does
takes a
take
minute.
them a minute to kind of get back to you
Yeah.
and even come by to order your drink. Like, we were ready to go at like 9:30, and I asked her for our tab at just past 9:30, and we didn't almost get it
Until almost 10.
until 10.
Yeah, and we had to leave because obviously we had to catch the Skyliner. So if you're staying at Pop or Art of Animation or Caribbean Beach or Riviera, anywhere on the Skyliner, just be aware that just because the Boardwalk, Jellyrolls closes at 1:45 in the morning,
Yeah.
but you can't take the Skyliner home.
Yeah.
The Skyliner closes at 10:30.
Yeah.
You have to be in line at 10:30. So we had to keep an eye on it. We set reminders on our phone so that we wouldn't
Right.
leave late. Because that's,
Disney,
you
if
know.
you're watching this, you need transportation.
Please give us
from
transportation.
the boardwalk to resorts
Yeah.
at a later time.
We're not
Because
sure how we would do it. We'd have to like do some convoluted thing in
Right.
order to get back.
If
And
any of you have suggestions or know of a way to get from the boardwalk back to
Well-
the resort, other than an Uber, because we didn't
no,
think of an Uber.
well, there is a way. We would take. Oh no, because Magic Kingdom's closed, so you can't take a bus to Magic Kingdom. Sorry, it's loud. Okay, sorry, we got cut off on the Skyliner, and then we ended up with a bunch of people on the second one. If you guys are wondering, by the way, they are loading the Skyliner with like groups, random groups. Like it's not just your group anymore. Last time we were here and rode the Skyliner and stayed at Pop, we would get our own car every time, which was fantastic. It's not like that anymore, which is fine with us. We're okay with that. We're chit-chatty with people, like that's fine. We left off, we were talking about how there's no transportation from the boardwalk back to Pop Century or this area like on the Skyliner because the Skyliner shuts down at 10:30. So we basically walked back to Epcot, we left the bar at 10, we went back and we got on the Skyliner and we just got back to the room. It was great, it was fine, but yeah, if we had wanted to stay at the Dueling Pianos bar, we would have had to probably have called an Uber. We were just discussing this, and we think there's a chance that they might have had a bus from Boardwalk to Magic Kingdom, and then we could have gotten, what would we have done? Oh, we would have gotten on a bus for Pop. Yeah, that's what it was. But that would have been a huge hassle, because Magic Kingdom right now is open till 11, so they just closed. Technically, there would be buses there, but we don't even know if that's a thing. Why is my nose so shiny? I think it's sunburn. Yeah, so a little bit strange. You guys know by now, probably, Brandon's aunt lives down here now with her husband, John. We're going to recommend they go. So if we're ever down here again to go to Jellyrolls, we definitely want to plan out a night with them so that we have a car and that maybe they can just drop us back off at our resort after, or maybe we're staying with them or whatever. And that way we can stay late because we really didn't want to leave. We met some people. There were some people from Tampa there that were at our table that had just popped in, and it was the girl's birthday, and they just seemed really fun, and we were just having a great time, and then we had to leave. So that was a little sad, but it's okay. We're back now. It was a great time. Great new thing that we've tried. We've had 3 great brand new bar experiences here at Disney. We're a little late to the game now because like we've been coming here over 21 for several years now. We just now are discovering these great bars and we love it. So Brandon's next to me eating pizza and he doesn't have a shirt on, so he told me I can't film him. That is our day for today, and we're ready to go to bed and get up bright and early for Magic Kingdom tomorrow morning. Tomorrow is our very last day. And to be honest with you guys, I am not going to vlog it because we've already been to Magic Kingdom and I feel like it's going to be a repeat of our vlog from Tuesday. So this is where we're going to leave off our trip vlogs. Yeah, our 2022 vlogs. We don't have another trip planned at the moment. We have other things in our life that we want to like focus on and stuff when we get home. If you guys don't watch my other channel, it is The Night Owl, and I will link it below if you guys are interested in seeing more about our daily life in Maine and how we live and all that jazz. I have a lifestyle channel, so go check that out if you're interested. But we just have a lot of other things that are like kind of more of the main focus now. This was a very much like last hurrah trip before we take like next steps in life and make big changes, maybe, hopefully. We're not gonna not come back to Disney, so
we will be here again.
We'll be here again. Brandon's aunt lives down here, like you guys know, so we'll be here again. It just might not be these long trips, so hopefully we will see you all very soon. If you like our content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and check out our other Disney vlogs. We have other Disney playlists on this channel if you guys are interested in seeing past years, like 2019 where we got engaged, and last year we went twice and we stayed at Pop. So if you're interested in seeing more about that experience, be sure to go and check that out. We will see you all super soon, and thank you all so much for watching. Bye guys.